Human Capital Class 12 Economics Full Details. Introduction to Human Capital. Human capital refers to the stock of skills, knowledge, experience, and attributes possessed by individuals that contribute to their productive capacity. It is a critical factor in economic growth and development. 8. Meaning of human capital. Human capital represents the economic value of a workforce's abilities, including education, training, and health. It enhances productivity and efficiency in the economy. Human capital vs. Physical capital. Though, sources of human capital formation. Human capital is formed through various investments in individuals. The key sources are: 8. Education primary factor, increases skills and earning potential. Though, good health increases efficiency and productivity. 10. On-the-job training enhances practical skills and expertise. 4. Migration movement of skilled workers to areas of better opportunities. 5. Information awareness about job markets, new technologies, and skills. 10. Importance of human capital formation. Human capital contributes to higher productivity. Skilled workers perform better. Economic growth leads to higher GDP and national income. Higher income levels. Educated and skilled individuals earn more. Improved quality of life. Better education and health improve living standards. Technological advancement, innovation and research improve efficiency. Reduces inequalities. Access to education and health services helps in bridging economic gaps. 4. Role of education in human capital formation. Education is the most important factor in human capital formation. It improves skills and knowledge, increases job opportunities and earnings, enhances technological innovations, leads to better decision-making and civic participation. Government initiatives for education in India. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSI Universal Primary Education. Mid-day meal scheme improves attendance and nutrition. National Education Policy NEP 2020 focuses on holistic development. Skill India Mission enhances vocational training. 5. Role of health in human capital formation. A healthy workforce is more productive and efficient. Investments in health lead to higher life expectancy, more productive years, better work efficiency, reduced absenteeism and fatigue, lower healthcare costs, less expenditure on medical care. Government initiatives for health in India. Ayushman Bharat PMJ free healthcare for poor families. National Health Mission NHM focus on maternal and child health care. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan promotes sanitation and hygiene. 6. Human capital vs. Human development. 7. Challenges in human capital formation in India. Despite progress, India faces several challenges. 8. Inadequate education system, high dropout rates, poor quality education. Though, health issues, malnutrition, lack of healthcare facilities. 10. Brain drain, skilled professionals migrate abroad. 4. Unemployment mismatch between education and job market needs. 5. Gender inequality, women have lower access to education and jobs. 8. Government policies for human capital formation. The Indian government has launched multiple policies to enhance human capital. Right to Education RTE Act, 2009 free and compulsory education. National Skill Development Mission promotes skill-based education. Digital India Initiative expands digital literacy. Universal Immunization Program enhances public health. Conclusion. Human capital is a crucial factor for a nation's growth. Investment in education and health leads to higher productivity, better employment opportunities, and an improved standard of living. India needs to address challenges like unemployment and brain drain to fully utilize its human capital potential. Would you like a summary or revision notes for quick learning?